We are doing a question based on maxima minima. I have taken a question from exercise which asks to prove that the right circular cone of least CSA and given volume has an altitude equal to root 2 times its radius. Note it down. This least or largest written term, then given written term, and then what is asked to do? Altitude equals to root 2 times its radius. Altitude is taken as h. So our first work is to take to prove statement. To prove h is equal to root 2r. Height means altitude will be root 2 times the radius of cone. Cone least CSA, that means CSA is going to be taken in the function to form it, and then given volume. So volume, value of something, either R or H, will be taken from volume to use that in CSA. So let us take volume first, given. Whatever given part you have, take that first. So volume of a cone is given by this formula, pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Then V is equal to, we take V as volume, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Separate h from here. H will be 3V by pi r square. I am taking it equation 1. Then we say CSA of cone is given by pi RL. So in any cone, you have done that earlier. In any cone, this is height, this is radius, this is slant height, angle at this point is 90, that means this is a right triangle. L square is equal to R square plus H square. This formula we have to apply here in place of L. So CSA we take as S, pi R root R square plus H square. Now bring the value of H from equation 1 to put here. What was that? S equals to pi R root over R square plus value of H, we had 3V by pi R square whole square. This is value of H from equation 1. We write it from 1. And now S equals to pi R root R square plus 9V square by pi square R4. After that, remove root. For doing that, squaring, apply squares on both sides. S square is equal to pi square R square. This root is over R square plus 9V square by pi square R4. Remove root, this bracket. S square is equal to, multiply pi R square with each term, pi square R4 plus, this is 9V square by R square. This S we are taking now as Y. Let Y equals to pi square R4 plus 9V square by R square. This is our function. And now we'll apply working rule for maxima and minima. Okay, so now apply dy dx, dy by dr. Not dy dx, in fact dy dr. With respect to r we are differentiating. So this r4 will become 3r, 4r cube, 4 pi square r cube. Then 1 by r square will become minus 2 by r cube. So this is minus 18v square by r cube. Now take dy by dr as 0, will give you value of v or r, v in fact, 4 pi square r cube minus 18v square by r cube equals to 0. So take it as 4 pi square r cube equals to 18v square by r cube. Cross multiplication, 4 pi square r raised to 6 18v square, or therefore v square equals to 2 pi square r raised to 6 by 9, or v will become root 2 pi r cube by 3. This is value of v, which will be used to put it in equation 1 to prove also, and another to check whether CSA goes minimum, least or not. Okay. Now we go for second order derivative. D square y by dr square equals to r cube, differentiation of r cube, 3r square, 12 pi square r square. Then this cube is here, 1 by r cube will become minus 3 by r raised to 4. So it is plus 54 v square by r raised to 4. So now you are going to check this second order derivative for minimum or maximum value at v equals to root 2 pi r cube by 3. Value of this looks positive, value of v is positive, so d square y by dr square must be greater than 0, positive. That means minimum. That's what the question speaks. Therefore, put v equals to root 2 pi r cube by 3 in equation 1. Our equation 1 is h equals to 3v by pi r square. Put value of v from there. So h equals to 3 into value of v is root 2 pi r cube by 3 upon pi r square. This 3 and 3 you cancel. Pi and pi, then r square and power 3. So becomes h equals to root 2r. This was what you had to prove, hence proved.